In day 4, we will learn about the tools which we use for content creation. Okay, so why these tools are needed. So if you want to make your post which looks very professional, and if you want to create a good hook inside your post, then you need a you need to have that skill, so you can create that design. Okay, because hooks are very important, as we have discussed in earlier days. If you have a great hook, people can hook to that post, and they will read your content, and later they can be your prospects, and you can convert them into your own client. Okay, and every time we don't have that capacity or time, so we can find someone who can do these tasks for us. So it is important for us to learn that skill. So in today's video, I'll go in today's session, I'm going to cover all those skills which you need to have, and I will just touch up on all those skills so that you can have at least some idea how you can edit those things. Okay, so yeah, so tools plays an important role in this situation when you don't have time to find someone who can do this work for you, and it also saves money. Okay, so tools used for content creation. Basically, what you need to edit, there are three types of post you can edit. One is the image you can edit while posting your content. Second, if you are posting your video content, then you also need to edit video. And the text is normally if you are writing any of any text content, or maybe post which includes text, so it is important to that like edit that text as well. So we'll go for the first, like, image editing tool. So there are many tools in the market, but today I will only show the live example of one tool, and rest you can search in internet, you will see a lot of videos about that. Okay, so Canva is a free tool. Also, you can take the paid subscription. So most of the entrepreneurs use Canva while editing the image for their posts. Apart from Canva, there are different many other tools like PicMonkey, Snappa, and Pictochart, and Pixlr. Okay, so these are the tools which you can use to edit the image. So now what I will do, I will show you the live example of Canva, how you can edit the image in Canva. So suppose if we want to create a hook, so in the hook we want to have one photo, and that photo will play a role of a hook, and then we will write content accordingly. So let me move to the web browser where we can okay, so this is the home button of Canva. So as I said, like, Canva is a free tool. Also, in free tool some of the features are not available, but now I have taken this Canva subscription. I have paid for this subscription, so there will be more options for me, because I have paid for it. So what I will do, I will just simply if this is the, like, a home button, I will today I will just create a design. I will click on create a design, and here you can write like Facebook post. Okay, so you can click on Facebook post, and then one screen will be opened, and you can see different options here which we will use to create our hook. Okay, so first thing what you can do, you can, so if you want your brand to be built, or your face value to be built, try as much as your photo in that, in your post. So if you are posting, like, if you're creating a hook, try to use your photo. So for that, sometimes you need to click your picture in different postures. Okay, so let me see, let me show you a few of my pictures which I have created, or sorry, which I have clicked. Okay, okay, so these are a few of my clicks which I have clicked randomly. And out of, so you can also do that, because when you create your YouTube video, or maybe some post, you need different posture. Like here you can see this posture, like I am just pointing out fingers. Okay, and there are different many other pictures, right? So these are the pictures I have clicked randomly. So this you can see in my most of the thumbnails. Okay, so you can also try different photos, and you can use a few of the photos for your hooks or for your YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so here what I will do, this is the main screen. When I have chosen like Facebook post, it came here. So I can give any title, like I can give a title as hook here, and see this background is completely white. So here is this one, like background color. This option is there. We can simply click here and we can select the default colors as black. Okay, so this is the black color now here. So now what you see, it is very easy to use tool. So that is why I thought to show you, and I thought to cover this topic today. So I will go to uploads, because if you want to have something here, you need to upload from your computer. So I will go to upload media here, and I will go to yeah, here I will go pics. And suppose if I suppose you want to create a hook where we will ask people like, are you still doing this mistake? So this will be kind of a hook, and if someone will see this kind of photo or maybe this kind of photo, they will be hooked and they will definitely check what is written in the post. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this photo. So I'll click here as open, and this will be, yeah, this is getting uploaded now. So I will use this photo. So as I said, in the paid subscription there are a few features which is available, which is not there in a free subscription. So maybe some of the features which I am showing may not be available, but those are not the hurdles. Even if you don't use that, it is not a problem. Okay, because see, suppose this is the this is the photo I want to use. So I can so there are background, right? So there is website which we can use for removing the background, that is called BG remover. Even if this BG remover, in this paid subscription, I have this option to remove my background here itself. So I will click on edit image, and here I will get one option called BG remover. So BG means background, so I will click here, and here it will remove the background. Okay. Hey Prakash, thanks for joining. It is taking a bit of time. So you can also try it by yourself, and you can also start using this Canva tool if you are not using it. Okay, so you can see now, like this is completely removed, the background is completely removed. Okay. Okay, now I have so I have option to flip. So suppose my I can flip horizontally like this, or I can flip vertically like this. Okay, so I have these options available here. Okay, so here what I will do, I will keep it here. And now now I can also do a few things with my image. I can add shadows here in the glow option. I can select the color, like which color shadow we want. It is okay. So here I will select the color as white, and there are a few things like size, like what should be the size of that, thickness of that shadow. You can select here, and here transparency you can select. Okay, you can try different options here. You can select the blurriness. Okay, now I will say apply, and now you can see the shadow in my photo, right? So this is the feature of Canva, where you can use shadows in the photo. Okay, and after that, what we will do, we will add some text here. So as I said, like we can use a hook as are you also doing the same mistake, or are you also doing this mistake? So this will be kind of a hook. So what I will do, I will here you can see text option, or maybe yeah, here you can see text option, and add a heading, subheading that you want to add. So I will click on add a heading. Okay. Okay, so here I will add, are you also doing this mistake? Okay, so yeah, So here I can use different types of font here. So I use mostly this one, and sorry, I use this one. Okay, and you can again like do some editing of bold, italic. So I use italic most of the time. You can also bold it, make it a bold. And now you can choose different colors as per your choice. But if I want to highlight mistakes, so I will highlight is that like the red one. Okay, so this is just a simple example how you can create a simple photo by using this tool. Okay, and now you can save it, you can download it in PNG format. Okay, so this is just a simple hook I have shown you. Okay, and now if you write some post, and that post you can like that the content you can post in your profile, and you can add this photo as well. So this will create a nice hook. So this is how we can edit a photo in Canva. So this is it about the Canva tool. Okay, so let me go back to the screen, like image written. Yeah, so Canva I have shown, and now we will go to the video editing tool. So there are different tools available in the market. So one is Animaker, Filmora, Animaker, Animoto, Stoop FX, and Movely and Byteable. So again, I will go with Filmora because this is what I use for editing the video. So I will do the live editing in front of you, and I will for this I will use Filmora. So I have opened Filmora already. So here what you can do, you can import. So this will be the home page of Filmora, and here you can import any video file or anything like image or anything. So I will import one of my video here. So content creation bootcamp. Yeah, so you can see like it has come in this just a minute. Okay, so this is the video. I will just show you how you can edit this video. It will take few minutes. Okay, so now if this video is available here, you can drag, and you can drag this video to here. So it will ask like what should be the resolution. So you can choose like mesh to media or keep the project settings. So suppose I will click on mesh to media, and now this is the day one video of ours. So now suppose if I want to upload this video in YouTube. Okay, so what I will do, I don't need this 23 and all those seconds and maybe initial information. I don't need, because I want to show that to the my audience who are watching my YouTube videos. So there is no meaning of introducing all those 5 days boot camp anything. So I will just click here. So I have an option here to move this, and this tool is also freely available as well as a paid version. If you use this free version, when you import the video, or maybe when you download the export the video, you will have one that watermark will be appeared. So what I will do, I will maybe cut. I can cut this video from here, and here I can cut, and I can click on my my delete button in my laptop. So this will be deleted. Okay, live, you're watching me live. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining. Okay, so this I don't need. Basically what I will I can even do this like minimize and maximize. Okay, so now still not showing me using my content. So whenever, so let me see where we are starting the community. And as I said, like I'll be so now welcome to day one. So yeah, so from here I want to start because all other content will not be relevant for my YouTube audience. So I will start from day one. So I will click again here, and I will delete this. Okay, so now, and so now, and so now, so from here I will again like start my video. So it will go till end. And again, I don't want my audience to give the assignment as well. So what I will do, I will again cut my video. Okay, before that, like podcast, but it is getting popular. I hope you are able to see my screen podcast, and I am audible. Share knowledge in the form of audio. Okay, so yeah, so from here I want to cut my video, so I will again cut this video here, and I will click here. Okay, so now if I will download my video, I will only see those things. Okay, even you can edit, like sometimes we repeat something and sometimes we speak something wrong which we should not. So we can also edit those things here. And after editing this, we can also edit the voice, like modulation of the voice, pitch of the voice. You can also edit the audio settings here. Okay, and now after that, after everything is done, you can export this. You can give any title, or you can just save it in your system and you can export it. So this is how you edit your video by using Filmora. So this is what I wanted to show you in this in this session. After that, hey Jasminder, thanks for joining. Okay, so after that, let me go back to my PowerPoint slides. Okay, yeah, so apart from Filmora, you can use Animaker, Animoto, Flex, and Movely by Table. And after that, you will see like sometimes you also need to edit some text. So there are some website which I use to edit some text. And in text we can make it bold, make it italic or some other design. And you can use emojis while posting your content, or you can use white space and line break in between. So for this, I will go in my Facebook profile, and I will show you some of my post, how I decorated, or how I have created that thing. And maybe I will try to copy, and I'll show you how you can also create and edit your post. Okay, so I will go to my home button, and I will go to my profile. So I will just simply write anything here, and I will show you how you can edit it. So like uh, like suppose I am writing my name is Mohan. Okay, just simple text I am just showing you. So you can copy this. I will share the website as well. So I have already saved those that website. So what I will do, I will just open that website. So first we will learn how we can edit this text. So yeah, so here is a website. I will share this as well. Here I will paste my simple text, and now I can see different options like bold sheriff, bold sans, and italic sheriff, italic sans. These are kind of text. So what I can do, I can even I can write only like a sentence by sentence, and I can copy, or I can copy the full sentence. So you can even write 10-20 lines here. Just copy paste from Word, from anywhere. And if you want to copy, sometimes you can see some ads as well, like this one. You can see you cannot copy. So even you have this option to copy like this. Or sometimes what I do, like some of my text will be bold, some of my text will be italic. So I just try to copy like one word from one sentence from here, and I copy that, and I simply create post out of it. So if you write the normal text here, it will show something like that. But when I paste it, so it is a bold one, right? So similarly, I can also copy this, which is italic. Okay, so now I will do this italic. So you can see the difference. So you can see the difference. This is the way we can edit our text. Okay, we can make it bold, we can make it italics, serif, and sans, whatever you want. We have different options, and it will look good when you use a variety of content, variety of text or font in your post. Okay, so this is one thing. Second thing, you can use emojis. So emojis plays a very important role when you want to show some emotion sometimes. Or maybe you need to show something in the form of these emojis. So suppose I want to search for folded hands. So as you have seen my post, like every Thursday I just show gratitude, right? So for that I will use folded hand. So it's similarly, as we also use those things in our daily communication on WhatsApp, there are different emojis we use. So here also, this is the website which we can use to have those kind of emojis here. You can see, so this is just an example of one emoji. There are different emojis. So by this way we can add emojis. Now the last thing is, sometimes what happens, when we even when we write something, a long post, and we paste here. Okay, when we try to paste here, and when we post it, we think like, okay, like we are adding these text. Okay, I mean, we are adding some extra lines in our post, and when we try, so here I have shared as only me so that no one will see, only I will see. So suppose I will post here, and it will show in my profile to me only. So you can see, even if we have added that, even we have added that thing like extra lines space, but here it is same. There is no spacing in between, right? So there is one more website for that, and in that website, what you can do, you can simply copy this, and here is the website, the name of the website, yeah, FB Hex. And here if you paste it, and if you add some spacing in between, and here you need to click on convert and copy, and once it is converted and copied, you can do it twice or thrice just to make sure it is completed. You can go back here and again control V, and then save it. So now let's see. You can see now the lines are visible, right? So these are these are three things, like three websites which I use basically for editing all those text content. Okay, so after that we have assignment for today. So as what you need to do in assignment, you need to create a infographics post using Canva with a hook and paste the link in the accountability thread. So as I have shown in the starting of this session, you can also create a small hook, or maybe you can post a photo. In that you can use Canva, because in free tool you can do that thing. So add some text, add some images, create a hook, and then with that hook create a beautiful post in written format, and use those emojis, italic, bold, whatever I have shown in today's session, and use some extra linings and all those emojis and everything, and create a beautiful post with a hook, and share that link to the accountability thread in for today's assignment. Apart from that, there is a bonus task for today, that is, you need to show some gratitude to someone who really contributed recently in your learning path. So you can tag that person, you can say thanks to that person, so it is up to you, like if you want to go live and say thanks, if you want to create a post and say thanks, like I do all the time. So it is completely up to you. But for the assignment, these two things are there. One is the assignment task which I have explained, and another one is like the bonus task.